As I've said, mag-ingat ka, Colonel. Di ba? Kami, seryoso kami rito. Pangiti-ngiti ka riyan eh. And may I request, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Grijaldo be seated away from Juan? Kasi tuwing matatanong sila, nagtitingin pa sila ng dalawa eh.
Opo, Your Honor.
Yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kanino kaya galing yun? At sino yung tao na sinasabi mo na katagpo ni Captain Anoba?
Kung sino po yung utusan ng asawa ko, Your Honor?
Ang ibig mong sabihin, papupuntahin ko pa rito yung asawa mo?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Kasi
Sinong
hindi
asawa mo
naman
ang
regular
tinutukoy
yun.
mo? Sinong asawa mo ang tinutukoy mo?
Isa lang po yung asawa ko, Your Honor.
Ha?
Isa lang po yung asawa ko, Your Honor.
Sino nga eh?
Si Marilu Mendoza Vilela po, Your Honor.
Huwag mo akong paglulukuhin ha, Colonel Vilela. Papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, sino yung nagpapadala?
Isang beses lang po yun, Your Honor.
Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung ilang beses eh. Ang tanong ko, sino?
Kung sino nga po, sir, yung nautusan ng misis ko, sir. Kasi nandito po yung
May I
misis.
move, Mr. Chair, that we invite the alleged wife of Colonel Vilela here?
There is a motion to invite the alleged wife of Colonel Vilela. And any second?
Second motion.
Duly seconded.
Colonel Vilela, huwag kang pangiti-ngiti dyan ha.
Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. Let me remind
Mr.
you,
Mr.
Colonel
Chair.
Vilela, you wipe off that smirk on your face. Otherwise,
Mr. Chair.
really, this is the first time we encountered an arrogant official of the PNP like you.
Sinasabi ko na sa'yo.
Sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I just want to find out who is the alleged wife of Colonel Playboy. Colonel Playboy, who is your alleged wife?
Isa lang po ang wife ko, Your
Hindi
Honor. Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi siya asawa mo? Sino asawa mo?
Si Marilu Vilela po, Your Honor.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair? As I've said, mag-ingat ka, Colonel. Di ba? Kami, seryoso kami rito. Pangiti-ngiti ka riyan eh. And may I request, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Grijaldo be seated away from Juan? Kasi tuwing matatanong sila, nagtitingin pa sila ng dalawa eh.
Colonel Grijaldo, can you please comply and transfer to another page? Can you please provide a chair to Colonel Grijaldo? You wipe off that smirk on your face. I'm telling you, you cannot fool this committee.
Na-invite na? Yung asawa niya?
Yeah, there was a motion earlier that we will invite the wife of Colonel Vilela, and it was approved, unanimously approved, Your Honor.
I think, Mr. Chair, nalaman na natin kung saan nanggaling yung $200,000 na sinasabi ni Honorable Fernandez. The only question is kung saan po galing yung pinapadala sa kanya doon sa US of A. Now, Colonel Vilela, what is the occupation of your wife?
Housewife po, Your Honor.
Housewife. And ang sabi mo, nagpapadala siya ng pera sa inyo.
Once lang po, Your Honor.
Uulitin ko. Alam ko nag-graduate ka ng law, pero may kalalagyan ka. Malapit nang maubos ang pasensya ko, Colonel Vilela. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko ng tama. Hindi ko naman tinatanong kung ilang beses eh. Di ba? Ang tanong ko, paano nakakapagdala yung asawa mo ng pera in dollars papunta sa iyo kung housewife siya? Ang tanong ko, saan nanggaling yung pera?
Sa sahod ko po dito, Your Honor.
Simpleng-simpleng sagot pala eh. Paikot-ikot ka pa eh. Di ba? Kung sinagot mo ako ng tama ng ganyan, hindi na susunod ng ganito.
Sorry, sir.
Maliwanag siguro yun. Kasi, nanggaling na ako dyan eh. Nandito na ngayon ako nakaupo. Ako ang nagtatanong. Dati, akong tinatanong ng ganyan. Di ba? But anyway, Mr. Chair, napatunayan po natin na si Madam Garma nagpapalit ng pera, pesos into dollars, worth 30 million. Yun lang ba ang nangyari? Meron pa bang ibang transaction na pinapalit sa'yo? Meron pa?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Ano pong ilang beses pa?
2 beses lang po yung
Magkano yung pangalawang beses?
nauna po yung una na 20, Your Honor. 20 M, Your Honor.
Ang nauna,
20 po.
20 M.
Pero ibang hindi yan magkasabay, Your Honor.
Anong ibig mo sabihin hindi magkasabay? Hindi isang bagsakan yung 20 million na pinapalit mo?
Hindi po. 2 beses lang po ako nagpapalit ng malaki.
2 beses kang nagpapalit na malaki.
Opo, Your Honor.
Mas maraming beses yung maliit?
Mga maliit lang, Your Honor.
Yung maliit. Okay. Yung 2 beses na malaki, magkano po yung amounts?
20 M po, Your Honor.
20 at saka?
30 po.
At saka 30.
Opo.
So, pero yung iba, nautusan ka rin na magpapalit sa
Ginagmay lang, Your Honor.
maliliit na amount.
Your Honor.
Okay. Saan mo dinala yung pinalit na 20 at saka 30? Kanino mo binalik?
Dito, doon pa rin, Your Honor.
Saan doon?
Doon kung saan ko kinuha, doon ko lang din po binibigay. Your
Saan
Honor.
mo nga kinuha?
Sa PCSO po, Your
Sa
Honor.
PCSO. Okay. So,
Okay na ako.
yung pa rin tao na yon,
Yes, Your Honor.
si Sergeant Obales.
Yes po.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. I think I have established my point.
Okay,
Chairman.
thank you. Yes,
Chairman,
Congressman Paduano.
before I forgot, let me move, Mr. Chairman, that for the BID and the DFA to be alerted with regards to all those persons that was being subject of this investigation. Mamaya po, tatanungin ko lang yung DOJ kung what might be our other legal remedies with regards to these people. But of course, as of now, let this committee, to the chair, ordered all, the BID to have a lookout bulletin on those persons being subject of all this investigation, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano. There is a motion to...
Yeah, sa motion, Mr. Chairman, to order BID for a lookout bulletin for all those mentioned names, especially Colonel Villela, particularly Colonel with the wife, Colonel Grijaldo, Narsoles, to be in the lookout bulletin, and of course, Colonel Barayog. Mr. Chairman.
Okay, there is a motion as stated, duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
And Mr. Chairman, lastly, just to establish the question of palit dolyar ni Kapitan ano ba? Kapitan, di ba sinabi mo kanina kay Congressman Acop, Chairman Acop, na twice, no? 120 million, 130 million. O yung 30 million, saan ba nakalagay? Yung 30 million pesos from the PCSO. Ano bang nilagyan nun? Karton, bag, pati kulay?
Bag, Your Honor.
Bag. Gaano kalaki yung bag? Tumayo ka, paki-describe mo.
Ang mga uban, yung tira, Your Honor, nasa
Isang bag lang o dalawang bag o tatlong bag?
iska bag lang, Your Honor.
O isa lang ka bag?
Isa lang po.
Isa lang ka bag. Now, so isang bag. Pagbalik, saan mo nilalagay yung pera, yung dolyar? The same bag ba o may parehong bag lang nilagyan mo pabalik?
Ang pandesal, ano yun? Naka-bulsita, Your Honor. Paper bag, Your Honor.
Paper bag. So naka-paper bag, pagbalik mo, binigay mo doon kay Oballes.
Yes, Your
Tama?
Honor.
Now, specifically, saang lugar sa Manila, anong money changer?
Your Honor, di ko na maalala yung money changer, Your Honor. Black market lang, ano lang po, yung tabi-tabi lang po.
Tabi-tabi.
Opo.
They can produce millions of dollars sa tabi-tabi lang. Kasi pag 30 million at 50 lang, that's 1.5 million US. Anong tabi-tabi? Hindi mo rin kilala? Yung tao?
Hindi po.
Ha?
Hindi po. Sa tao po, din po.
Hindi, ang tanong ko nga, sinong pinagpapalitan mo?
Hindi po, tindahan lang, ano lang po, yung pwesto lang po siya.
Alam mo yung pwesto?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan yon?
Sa Malate po.
Sa Malate. Saan sa Malate?
Mahaba po, Your Honor. Di ko kabisado, Your Honor.
Pero pag pinuntahan, alam mo,
Yes, Your Honor.
matuturo mo
Opo, Your Honor.
yung lugar sa Malate. Hindi mo na matandaan kung anong
Di po, sorry po.
o pangalan lang, name. Sinong name? Kahit alias.
Wala pong, di kasi ako matandahin talaga yun. Pagka natapos po kasi, hindi na ako basta na-comply ko na lang yung...
Hindi, pero kilala mo yun, of course. How can that money changer magpapalit sa'yo kung wala siyang tiwala, hindi ka kilala? Di ba?
Ano naman yun, Your Honor? Kahit sino pwede magpapalit doon.
Kahit sino.
Opo.
Pero alam mo yung lugar.
Opo.
O paki-recall na lang, in your recollection mamaya, after this hearing, paki-describe mo, pati kung kailangan sketch, or kailangan natin yung lugar, papunta ng lugar para maituro niya. Just to confirm that indeed, doon ka nagpapapalit. Okay? Okay? So Malate yung first na pagpapalit mo, doon din. Sa lugar na yon.
Pareho lang po.
Pareho lang. Pareho lang. Okay. Now, Mr. Chairman, before I end, let me just put on record, Mr. Chairman, that I mentioned about the class 96 and 97. Gusto ko lang po liwanawin that the class 96 and 97, hindi po kasali dito. Yung mga rogue lang po, yung mga may problema lang po. Well, in fact, a lot of class 96 and 97 na magagaling po. No, they deserve to be promoted. And well, in fact, sila rin po nabibigay sa atin ng mga information. And that includes all the names. Colonel Villela, you were also there. Doon sa DPWH. Nandun ka rin. Noong June 28.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, nandun ka. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, this is the first time na inamin ni Colonel Villela. Kasi hindi ka rin makano. Kasi may magtuturo sa inyo. Somebody will testify here and it will be corroborated by your class. That's all for now, Mr. Chairman. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Paduano.
Mr. Chair, before we go to the next, yung sa resource person that we will be...
Please make it short.
Yeah, short
Thank
lang
you.
to. Griar, do you sign documents, mga vouchers, doon sa PCSO using a green pen? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
You sign documents?
No.
You don't sign?
Nagasulat ako, Your Honor, para malaman ni ma'am na natapos ko yung
Kaya
trabaho.
nga, nagsasign ka ng documents sa mga vouchers?
Sign po ba ang tawag?
Yes,
nun?
sign. Oo, ng mga
okay, Your
vouchers.
Honor.
Sumulat ka? Nagsign ka?
Hindi. Nagsulat ako, Your Honor, para malaman
What is
ni
your
ma'am.
anong karapatan mo para sumulat sa mga vouchers? And you are a detailed PNP on the PCSO.
Opo. Ang sabi po kasi ni Ma'am Garma, bago siya mag-sign ng mga documents, dapat nakita ko na raw at
So
para
sa iyo nagtitiwala, pero hindi mo trabaho na
Opo.
mag-sign ng mga vouchers sa PCSO. Am I correct?
Opo, sir. Opo, Your
Ilang mga
Honor.
vouchers ang mga pinirmahan mo sa PCSO?
Pag lahat ng dumadaan sa office ni Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, ngayon lang ako nakakita na detailed PNP in a specific agency signing vouchers, especially do sa mga STL operation.
Hindi-
Anyway, Mr.
hindi
Chairman,
po STL,
anong
Your
hindi po?
Honor.
Treasury, andyan ba Treasury ng PCSO? Can you kindly submit all the documents that was countersigned by Lot Griar in this committee? All the documents that she signed prior to the signature of GM Garma, please.
Apo, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Ay,
Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair?
Okay, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you,
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Fernandez. Congressman
Just a
Adyong.
very short follow-up po kasi na medyo na I was I got na medyo naging controversial para sa akin yung pagtatanong po ni Chairman Caraps kay Colonel. Colonel, gusto kong lang balikan
Captain.
Captain, sorry, Captain. Gusto ko lang balikan Mr. Chair yung sabi mo, yung exchange yung kung saan ka papapalit ng dolyar ng peso. Sabi mo hindi mo maalala, is it black market ba ito or regular talaga na na foreign exchange ng na shop?
May pwesto, Your Honor.
Ah?
May pwesto po.
Ano po?
May pwesto.
May pwesto. So hindi siya black market talaga kasi kanina sabi mo, hindi mo maalala kasi parang yung pwesto hindi mo maalala. That's why I'm trying to understand whether may minimit ka doon na walang pwesto tapos black market or meron talagang pwesto kasi hindi magkatugma yung sagot mo kanina sa kanya, hindi mo maalala. Kasi minimit mo lang tapos biglang sinabi mo pwede naman kung sino-sino ang pumunta. Kasi pagkakalam ko, Mr. Chair, kung black market talaga ito, hindi talaga open for everyone eh. May contact talaga. Yun lang ang gusto kong malaman, Mr. Chair. Gusto kong ma-stop. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Adyong. Ito, may tanong ako kay GM Garma. GM Garma, anong year ka na-appoint sa PCSO?
2019, Mr. Chair.
2019 up to?
I resigned, I think June of 2022.
You resigned? Did you say you resigned?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So anong year ka nag-resign?
2022, Mr. Chair.
2022. Ng anong buwan?
June, Mr.
June.
Chair.
May I know if you're at liberty to tell us anong rason ba't ka nag-resign?
I was made by, there was an instruction for me to take a leave.
To take a leave.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino nagbigay sa inyo ng instructions?
ES.
ES.
Yes.
And who is the ES that time?
Medaldia po.
Si
The
Attorney
instruction.
Medjaldea.
Yeah, because
Okay.
there was an incident that happened to Colonel Barandog. They were almost murdered in Cebu.
Colonel Barandog, you're referring to?
Yes
okay.
po. Na-hospital niya ngayon lang po nakarecover niya, including his wife.
Okay.
It was an open investigation, di po na-investigahan. So,
And because of that, you resigned?
no, Mr. Chair. He used kasi as, nag-work kasi sa akin, and then I made a simple investigation. And,
So nag-investigate ka sa nangyari kay Colonel
inquiry.
Barandog? Okay. Yeah, okay.
And I had, it's not validated naman, Mr. Chair, but as an investigator, nagkaroon pa ako ng konting, what do you call it? Gumawa ako ng sarili kong assessment. Parang ganun po. And I cannot divulge it kasi very sensitive and ongoing pa siguro ang investigation if somebody is investigating his case right now, which is nobody investigated actually in Cebu.
So during that time that incident happened, walang nag-investigate
Wala,
except
sir.
you?
Takot lahat ng pulis, sir, ng Cebu City.
Takot lahat ng pulis ng
Yes,
Cebu
Mr.
City?
Chair. Yes,
Kanino sila
Mr. Chair.
natatakot?
I have my own personal, I made a digging on that, Mr. Chair, but nobody wants to testify, nobody wants to talk about it. So, I made a parang tawag dito, the advice to me is just to, kasi pati ako madamay or something. So,
kaya
the
ka pinapag-resign.
not resign, Mr. Chair, to take a leave.
Okay.
But I felt like there was a time kasi na nag-leave ako, and then I was instructed by our chair to attend a board meeting, which I complied because it is a legal order from the chair. But when I attended the board meeting, there was an instruction, parang na-caution ako why I attended a board meeting. So sabi ko po, upon the instruction of our chair. But sabi ko next time, even if upon the instruction of the chair, hindi na rin po ako mag-attend. So I felt, Mr. Chair, that I was like indirectly implied po that I was fired. So I just filed my resignation para kung may inquiry man or there was a loss of trust and confidence, perhaps I said I think they can move freely without me in my office. Para sa ganon, maging transparent ako. Yun ang reason ko I resigned, Mr. Chair.
So ang punot dulo nung iyong resignation ay yung nangyari kay Colonel Barandog.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and
Isa din po yan, Mr. Chair.
And you felt na parang kasi wala nag-iimbestiga, you felt na nalaman siguro nila na nag-i-inquire ka, meron kang sariling inquiry, kaya ka sinabihan. Tama ba yun? Ganun ba yun? Is that an accurate
Hindi naman,
assumption?
Mr. Chair. I just do not know the wisdom why I was made to just take a leave.
Okay, sige.
And I just complied with the order, Mr.
So,
Chair.
where was Colonel Barandog that time assigned nung nangyari yung sa kanya?
I think he was assigned at Camp Crame. He was relieved from his post, reassigned in Camp Crame sa admin holding group, Mr. Chair.
So, na-relieve din siya. So, Colonel Barandog, if I may ask,
Yes,
Colonel
Mr.
Barandog.
Chair.
So, there was an incident na na-involve ka at saka yung asawa mo na nagkaroon ng enkwentro, tama?
Mr. Chair, we were ambushed last May 1, 2022, Mr. Chair.
And because of that ambush, and where were you assigned that time when you were ambushed?
Prior to that incident, Mr. Chair, I was reassigned to the admin holding of Directorate for Personnel and Records Management in Camp Crame, Mr. Chair. Almost more or less 2 weeks before that incident, Mr. Chair. And hindi ko po alam kung bakit ako inireassign. Well, in fact, Mr. Chair, I am performing my duties well.
Sige,
Can I continue?
it's up kita. You said you were performing your duty. And bago ka na-assign sa Crame, saan ka ba naka-assign?
I was assigned as the company commander of the Cebu City Mobile Force Company, Mr. Chair.
So okay. So Cebu City Mobile Force, and then you were relieved of that position, nilagay ka sa Crame.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Who was the chief, PNP chief that time?
It was General Carlos, Mr. Chair.
General?
Carlos.
General Carlos.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So nilagay ka sa Crame, and then 2 weeks later, na-ambush ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
And matanong kita, ano yung tingin mong motibo? Ba't ka na-ambush?
I cannot speculate, Mr. Chair, because ang dami ko na pong nilapitan. Even nagsulat po ako kay then Chief PNP Azurin na tulungan ako at mabigyan ng assistance. Tapos nag-request din po ako na ma-reassign balik sa PRO7 kasi hindi naman po ako makatravel kasi ang tagal ko sa ospital, Mr. Chair. Umabot din po ako kay Sir Acorda. Tapos we even reached to NBI, Mr. Chair. So wala pong answer. Hindi ko po wala pong sagot, Mr. Chair. In short, Mr. Chair, wala pong...
In other words, hindi ka natulungan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Nang hindi ka natulungan, meron bang nag-imbestiga sa nangyari sa'yo?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ano sa palagay mo? Bakit walang investigasyong ginawa?
For now, Mr. Chair, I cannot...
You cannot?
Hindi ko po talaga maano.
Hindi, syempre meron kang sarili mong
Mr. Chair,
opinion dyan,
yes,
di ba?
Mr. Chair.
Oh.
Baka may malaking tao na involved, Mr. Chair.
Na nasagasaan ninyo. Tama?
Might be, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So because wala nag-imbestiga sa buong PNP, si GM Garma took the initiative to investigate kasi magkamag-anak kayo, tama? Is that correct, Colonel Garma?
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami magkamag-anak, Mr. Chair.
Kasama...
We're not relatives, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So, I'm sorry. So, naka-detail siya sa'yo and then you took it upon yourself to initiate an investigation or an inquiry para malaman kung sino yung behind dun sa ambush. Tama, no?
He was no longer detailed with me when that incident happened kasi binalik ko na sila sa unit nila noon nung hindi ko na kailangan yung services
Okay.
nila,
Pero
Mr. Chair.
earlier, you said
Yeah,
na meron
the first,
kang inquiry.
Yes, I did my own research.
May we know ano yung na-discover mo dun sa yung inquiry? Unless you don't want to discuss that, that's fine with us. Okay?
Yes,
O,
Mr.
sige.
Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Ngayon, nung 2017, General Attorney Wesley Barayuga was ambushed. And he was a member of the board of the PCSO, correct?
I think, Mr. Chair, it's not 2017.
Anong year yun?
I'm not sure, but I was already with PC. Maybe it's parang may pandemic pa po noon time na yun, 2020 or 2021. I'm not so
That's
sure.
the reason why I asked kasi the reason why I said 2017 because you were not a GM yet
Yes,
of
Mr.
PCSO.
Chair. Yes po.
Because this incident happened when you were the general manager of PCSO, correct?
Yes, Mr.
And General Wesley Barayuga is a member of the board of the PCSO, correct?
No, Mr. Chair. He is the board secretary po.
He is the board secretary
Mr.
of the
Chair.
PCSO at the time. Nung nangyari kay General Barayuga yon, nag-initiate ka ba ng investigasyon?
No, Mr. Chair, because there was already an investigation conducted.
Okay.
I presume because there were statements made, Mr. Chair,
Yeah,
by
because,
the
you know,
PNP to investigate.
You see, when Colonel Barandog happened what happened to Colonel Barandog na naambush siya, nag-inquire ka. Nag-initiate ka ng sarili mong inquiry.
Can I make a statement,
Sige,
Mr. Chair?
please.
In the case of Colonel Barandog, nobody from the PNP made a statement that they will investigate. But to the Board Secretary Barayuga po, I heard na like the Chief of Police, nagsabi they will initiate investigation. So I presume ginawa po nilang trabaho na po nila, Mr. Chair.